There are some destinations that are historic, others that are scenic, some spiritual, some religious. Then there are the ones that are literally epic in every way, like this one.
Oh man, look at that view. You've got the Bay of Bengal to your left and the Indian Ocean to your right. We are literally in the middle of the Park Strait. Dhanushkodi is 3 kilometers from here, and Arechalmudi, which is the end of the Indian peninsula, and from where the Sri Lankan teardrop begins, is I think 6 or 7 kilometers from here. இது என்ன இழுக்கிறது?
தோணி தோணி காரவலை
நெட் நெட். I thought they'll pull you with them. They're pulling the net. It's a net that goes deep way into the sea. Can you see the rope going?
The rope only is so far.
Is there catch for the day? They must be happy, no? The heavier the net, the happier they are.
I want to eat the catch for them.
Okay, Shagun. That's it. That's the end of the line. That's the end of the road on the south side as far as we can go before we hit Sri Lanka. For you and me, this is a U-turn. There's no other way to go but to turn right back around and go back home and take the long route home. This is beautiful. Let's stop before we turn around. Let's stop for 2 minutes before we turn around and go home.
Let's stop for what?
2 minutes.
What 2 minutes? I'm spending half the day here. धनुषकोडी में रहूंगा मैं, घर नहीं जाऊंगा मैं.
Arichalmunai, which translates from Tamil to the tip of the land, is at the southeastern end of peninsular India and at the center of Valmiki's epic. Sri Lanka's Mannar Island is a mere 18 kilometers from here, across the Park Strait. This was the place where Sri Ram's Vanar Sena started building the Ram Setu from. This was where the will of an army was tested by the gods. This was where faith defeated the mighty ocean. This was the farthest we could get from home on this journey, the end point. But to us, it felt like just another beginning. The place truly is where land ends and faith begins.
right now, if you were to ask me, I'd say I feel on tip of the world.
Yes. Welcome to the edge of India. We are almost in Sri Lanka.
Yes.
18 kilometers that way. We'll need a stamp on our passport.
So don't be surprised अगर गलती से आपका roaming on है और श्रीलंका का कोई नेटवर्क पकड़ ले. This is the dream Republic Day ride. So happy Republic Day.
Happy Republic Day to you too.
We made it, yaar.
We made it. We had. It felt like we wouldn't make it here on time, according to our plan, but we did, and we're happy. The ride from Rameshwaram was. It's a dream. What else can we
I
say?
know. Actually, there are no words that can do justice. मतलब बाइक पे भी हम लोग जब एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे थे कि यार ये कैसा लग रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कि वो जैसे कि के बाद कोई एडजेक्टिव ही नहीं मिल रहा था. It's like बस जैसे जैसे पहुंच गए. Thanks, buddy.
Yes. Good one. Thanks.
Dhanushkodi used to be a very thriving fishing town until 1964 when it got hit by a tsunami. तो तब बहुत सारा कुछ बह गया है यहाँ पर. The buildings, everything got washed away. Around 2,000 people were killed.
It was so dangerous कि गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने बोला कि बस अब यहाँ पे और कुछ नहीं बनेगा, कोई नहीं रहेगा. It's very dangerous. So all that you have are these ruins, these dilapidated structures that talk of a, very nice past, a very beautiful past.
मतलब दोनों तरफ पानी है. कितना अच्छा रहा होगा यार. मतलब the fishing culture over here.
And there are still some fishermen who live here in small little shanties क्योंकि कोई structure तो build नहीं कर सकते. Other than that, there is the beautiful lighthouse. There is
An old church.
and the ever so beautiful post office at Rameshwaram West End.
Cute.
Mission
What
East.
is also very beautiful but very littered, the white sand against the blue water.
जहाँ भी जाओ, जिस भी दुकान में जाओ, मच्छी मिलेगा.
And I am already salivating. So. अरे the problem is कि I don't mind eating fish for breakfast, but एक बहुत ही basic सी चीज़ जो हम लोग भूल गए was कि Google पे यहाँ अगर चलता तो भी problem ये है कि network ही नहीं है. So you have to have cash.
Yeah, remember to bring cash from Rameshwaram and bring lots and lots of
Appetite.
stomach space, appetite क्योंकि खाना मजेदार है यहाँ पे. One more thing that we forgot to mention was Achiramanai, the end of the land. That's where Ram Setu begins. They say that it connected India to Sri Lanka back in the day. But धीरे धीरे water level बढ़ते गया और वो नीचे चला गया. Yes. Shri Sai Ram Hotel. Please come to Shri Sai Ram Hotel. Opposite the lighthouse. Yes. Okay. Unga pere? Raja, Chinna Raja. Okay. Bye. So.
The life here is so simple. The life here is so peaceful. मतलब इनके पास ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं. Like literally सारा कुछ ruins में है, but everybody is like just so happy.
जो भी है सब सामने है. मतलब सीधा जब भूख लगी पानी में जाओ.
हाँ, जाओ पकड़ो fish और खाओ
और बेचो.
Of the 22 Tirthams or holy water bodies in Rameshwaram, Agni Tirtham is meant to be the first. On Shri Ram and Sita Ma's return from Lanka, this was their port of entry. Shri Ram bathed in the waters to atone for his sin of killing Ravan. Sita Ma took the Agni Pariksha to prove her chastity to her husband. The first of the 22 steps of atonement. It is believed that bathing in the 22 Tirthams of the Sri Ramanatha Swami temple will absolve one of all sins, not only from this lifetime, but from past ones as well. A small price to pay for lifetimes of sinning. It is considered one of the 12 Jyotirling temples dedicated to Lord Shiva. It is also one among the holiest Hindu Char Dham, Badrinath, Puri Jagannath, and Dwarkadhish being the others. It also boasts the longest corridor in the world, with 1,212 pillars. When Sita Ma's rescue team returned from Lanka after defeating Ravan, Lord Ram, an ardent devotee of Lord Shiva, felt remorse for killing a fellow devotee and Brahmin king. As penance, they decided to establish a Shivling there. Lord Hanuman was commissioned to fetch one from Mount Kailash, Lord Shiva's abode. While they waited for him, Sita Ma fashioned a Shivling out of sand, the Ramalingam, and Hanuman returned with the ling handed to him by the Lord himself, the Vishwalingam. And that's the legend of the Ramanatha Swami, the master of Lord Ram.
So we are utterly pure right now. सारे 22 तीर्थम हो चुके हैं.
एकदम क्लीन क्रिस्टल क्लियर, अंदर बाहर पूरा कुएं के अंदर बाहर दोनों बाजू प्लास्टिक पेंट होना.
But on a serious note, it is really overwhelming after a point. वो जो हो रहा है ना जब भी वो
In a good way.
हाँ, like splashing water.
Not like it's overwhelming as in अरे बहुत ज़्यादा हो
वैसा
गया.
नहीं.
अच्छा, in a
मतलब
good way.
हाँ, you're positively overwhelming.
ऐसा लग रहा है, लेकिन मतलब वो वाटर किंगडम में एक राइड के बाद दूसरे राइड
वही तो बोला. फर्स्ट टाइम ही स्प्लैश्ड वाटर, जो फर्स्ट तीर्थ, और वो तीर्थम में नंबरिंग दी हुई है कि फर्स्ट, सो यू हैव टू फॉलो दैट पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर. वो 22 दोष होते हैं ना जो शुद्धि के लिए वो लोग ने.
22 arrows in Rama's quiver, they represent the 22 wells, dosh of purification. Time to go meet Ramnath Swami, the master of Lord Ram.
We'll go get changed and see you soon.
With all of our sins washed away, we got a full night's rest before heading off in search of some more legends.